Hi friends, this is Dr. Rohit Thurat, cataract and glaucoma specialist, Thurat Eye Care, Ahmednagar. March 12th to March 18th is celebrated as the World Glaucoma Week. Few important points which you should know about glaucoma. Now, what exactly is glaucoma? To maintain a perfect circular shape of the eye, it has its own pressure. This is what we call as the intraocular pressure. Normal intraocular pressure ranges from 15 to around about 20 millimeters of mercury. If for some reasons this intraocular pressure rises above this, it causes a lot of tension on the nerve of the eye, that is the optic nerve. Now this raised tension causes irreparable damage to the optic nerve, leading to permanent blindness. This is what we called as glaucoma. Now, who all are the patients who are likely to suffer from glaucoma? Basically friends, glaucoma is a disease which runs in families. So, if at all your parents or one of your siblings is having glaucoma, there are high chances that even you might land up in glaucoma. Also, patients who are diabetics, hypertensive, people who have a high refractive index like a high minus or high plus power number, people who have had a past injury of the eye for some reason, and also patients who have been using steroids for some other ailments of the body. These are the likely candidates who might suffer from glaucoma later on in life. Now, what are the signs and symptoms of glaucoma? Now here the crux of the matter is, that is why we call glaucoma as the silent killer of vision. Why? Because it is only the doctor who can actually diagnose this ailment at an early stage and prescribe you certain medications so as to prevent loss of vision in your eyes. The proper symptoms of glaucoma which a patient faces is only in the end stages of glaucoma, where he'll have a restricted field of vision, redness, watering, and other complaints of the eyes. Now, how can you prevent glaucoma? Now, there are a number of wonderful advanced tests that have come up. The only thing is that you should have a periodic eye checkup every year with your ophthalmologist, with tests like applanation tonometry, perimetry, fundus photo. These are the tests which can early pick up the glaucoma early, and then we can go do a treatment accordingly. Majority of the treatment in glaucoma is with medicines only, that is only with eye drops. Up to 80 to 90% of the glaucoma patients are taken care only because of putting eye drops in a proper fashion under the guidance of a doctor. It is very a few percentage of cases who do not respond adequately to eye drops, who have to go in for surgery like the trabeculectomy. So my take home message on this glaucoma week is, please do have your eye checkup every yearly after the age of 45. That is mandatory. So stay safe and protect your eyes from glaucoma. Thank you.